Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So another beautiful day here in Quebec. I'm on the rooftop at our condo and it's just really amazing, right? And I wanted to record a very quick video today just to update you guys a bit on what I'm doing on my side and also share with you some thoughts that I had. And I think that these thoughts can actually really help you to achieve your goals and to just do better, right? Because it's something that is really important, right? So guys, just before that we start, as always, please leave a like under the video. I would really appreciate it. Make sure that you are subscribed as well to the channel. It really helps me to just push these videos to more people, right? And if these videos actually help you, well, they can help more people, right? So that would be really appreciated. So guys, just to show you where we are, because I did this room a bit fast when we did the vlog of the condo. So this is one of the living area, as you guys can see, pretty cool. Pool table, kitchen, just a space here to sit down, right? And we have the amazing pool right here. And just to show you guys how it works, so when we actually go there, we have the door, and then we have the pool with the crazy view. We are on the 11th floor, so I mean it's just truly amazing. And here we actually have the link to the rooftop, and we can come here, and I mean I'm just so grateful, right? I'm so happy to be able to share this with you guys, and I'll let you know why. So, you know guys, as I said, right, I'm just so happy to be able to be here, and this is part of what I wanted to share with you, right? So when I got into trading, guys, this was 7 years ago, right? I always had the vision to live in a place like this, right? This is something that I talk about again at the end of the vlog of when we moved, but I'm pretty sure not a lot of you guys have actually watched the whole video because it was pretty long. But yeah, so I'm really grateful to be here, and the reason why is simply because I always had this goal, all right? Since the very beginning, I was always seeing myself to live in a place like this where we have just a very luxury condo, right? With just so many services, a pool, gym, and all that stuff, right? And to be here now, literally after 7 years of work, grinding, and just, you know, not sleeping a lot, right? And being focused on my goals, I mean, it's such a crazy feeling, right? We've moved in like 2 months ago, and even today, right, as you guys can see, sometimes I'm kind of just at loss of words because of how grateful I am and how crazy it is, right, to be able to live in a place like this, especially at my age, right? Because, you know guys, that's the thing, a lot of people here are a bit older, right? There are not that many people that are 22 years old, you know? Every time that I see other people, right, they're like 30, 40, 50, you know, and of course there are some other people that are young, right? I'm not literally the only one, but it's quite limited, right? So there are not that many people who can afford a place like this at my age, and it's crazy because it really just shows, guys, the power of focus and the power of actually going at 100% toward what you want, right? And this is something that I wanted to talk about today, right? Simply because we are in September, we have 4 months left during the year for you guys to actually achieve your goals, even less than 4 months actually, right? And so it's crazy because so many people, I think, are just letting time pass and they don't really take advantage of it, right? But what you guys have to realize is that time is very limited, right? We don't have unlimited amount of time here on this planet, right? So we need to actually just take it and use it as best as we can to achieve what we want, right? Because again, since we don't have unlimited time here, why not actually go at 100% toward your goals and just try to get something out of life that you really want, right? And I think it's really important to actually understand this and to fully accept this and to even feel it within you, right? Because if you don't, well, you will let this pass and you are not going to get what you want out of life, right? And so I think that this life has so much to offer. This life is so amazing that if you really just go at 100% toward what you want, right, well, you can have an amazing life, right? And again, guys, you know, I'm not a special person. I'm not more talented than you, right? I've just been able to actually focus on what I want for years and years, right? And a lot of people look at where I'm at now. They'll look at, you know, the condo, right, and where we live and stuff, and they think that it was easy, or they think that, oh yeah, I can do this probably in a couple of weeks or months. But no, guys, it takes a long time, right? It takes a very long time, and it takes a lot of work, right? And a lot of people, again, are not willing to go through this process. But what I wanted to, you know, just hopefully wake you guys up with, right, is that if you really put in the work and if you really focus on what you want, it doesn't have to be long, right? It doesn't have to take a long time, right? For me, it took a long time because I was really young. I didn't have any money. I didn't have any mentor at first. So just getting started and learning how to trade the right way after meeting my mentor, just this initial process, it took like over 1 year. right? But if you actually start with already a strong foundation and you go straight to the point, right, it might just take you maybe 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, right? I don't know. It really depends on you more than it depends on anybody else, right? But the point is that you can make it happen, right? And the thing with trading, guys, you know, to make a correlation with it, right, that is really important for you to understand is that at the end of the day, right, we all have access to the same markets, the same information, the same charts, the same softwares, the same computers, right? So it's really one of the only industry where there's really no advantage that someone can have over another person. And that's really, really important for you guys to understand, right? So that there is no limit actually to what you can achieve. And so in these 4 months, right, if you guys actually do it seriously, you can truly get amazing results quite quickly, right? It doesn't, again, have to take a long time. If I look at my students, right, who go through our coaching program, if they really put in the work, right, and if they are really serious, right, at least a good 1 hour per day on average, which honestly is really not that much anyway, right? Just in a couple of months, right, between 3 to 6 months, they can actually develop a pretty good understanding of the markets. Now, it doesn't mean that they will become professionals and that they will know exactly how to trade and that they will just make a lot of money, right? But it means that they will actually have a good understanding of the markets, and that from there they will be able to just develop more and more experience, right? And it's really possible, again, to achieve this in a couple of months, right? I've seen it multiple times, and it's always the goal that I have when I work with somebody new, right? And so the point here is simply that, again, when you know what you want, right, and when you really have a defined path of getting there, it's not that hard to do, guys. You know, the reason why I struggled with so long is simply because I didn't have, again, a mentor at the beginning, right? And it took a long time to get things going. But when you actually start to work toward what you want, right, and you have a very clear idea of it, right, it becomes just a lot easier. Now, to give you guys a little update on what I'm doing on my side, right now I'm re-recording the whole coaching program, but in French. So there are a lot of people who have asked me to actually create a program in French, because not everyone speaks English, right? So for those of you guys watching this video who prefer French, well, you will be served, because I am recreating the whole coaching program from A to Z in French. So it will be available both in English and in French as well. And I think it will just be amazing. So right now, this is what I'm really focused on. I've recorded like 15 videos in the last 2 days, right? So a lot of work, right? It's very, very intense. Even today, after recording this YouTube video for you guys, I will be recording more videos for the program, right? So this is really what I'm on, and my goal is to actually complete everything in the next 2 weeks, okay? So you see, guys, right? It's a lot of work, okay? It's 10 and tens of hours, and just because I'm going fast, it doesn't mean that the quality will not be there, right? It will be amazing. It will be a beautiful program. It already is an amazing program, right? Literally, I'm just recording it in French. So that's also the reason why it's not that hard to do overall, right? And it doesn't take, you know, a crazy amount of mental energy or something like that to kind of think of its structure, right? It's already there. I just need to re-record everything, but still, right? It's a lot of work. It's probably like, you know, a good 25 hours, 30 hours of content, right, that I'm recording right now. So it's a lot of work, right, for only 2 weeks. And I, of course, have all the other things that I have to do, right, in my day-to-day life, right, with the calls that I have and my trading and stuff. So yeah, I'm really, really focused on that right now. But I wanted to update you guys on this, right, because I think it's really cool, and I'm really excited to just launch this so that I can help more people and have a bigger impact. So as you guys know, my goal has always been the same, which is simply to help as many people as I can become profitable in trading, right? And I'm so grateful because now we have over 350 members inside of the coaching program. So we've been able to change a lot of lives. A lot of people are profitable. A lot of people have a new source of income. Some people even do it full time. So I mean, it's just truly amazing, and again, it's a blessing. So hey guys, I just wanted to share with you some thoughts and just a little update on what I'm doing, right? So personally, everything is going well on my side. We're super happy again to be living here. The program is going well, right? So we're recording everything in French. It's amazing. My trading is going very, very well. I have an amazing trade right now on CHF yen, which is just totally breaking out to the upside, and I have some other good trades as well running. So yeah, I mean, everything is going well, right? And again, guys, this comes from the consistency that I put in my work every single day, right? When you show up every day, when you focus every day on what you want, right? And when you just try to be as consistent as possible, well, that is how you get results, right? It's nothing fancy. It's nothing too crazy, right? Or out the norms. It's just something that can truly happen, right? When you fully focus on yourself. So I also wanted to share with you guys, as I said, right, some of these thoughts that I had just as motivation, right? And hopefully help you guys and, you know, just share something valuable with you. right? Like that's it. It's really as simple as that, right? It's very pure. I didn't plan this video. I didn't even think I would record this video today, to be quite honest with you guys. I thought I would record a different one, right, in the office, and something more, let's say, serious and more planned in advance and stuff, right? But I felt like, you know what, let's just, take my phone and just record a short video, right? And I don't know, just share with you guys some value and some thoughts that I had. And I think it's very, very pure. And as I said before, right, I like sometimes to do these kind of videos because I think it's important, right, to just show some realness and just share with you guys some things that I believe in, right, and hopefully that it helps you, right? So yeah, essentially that's the idea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, right? I know it was kind of all over the place, but I think it's important again for me to make these videos, right, just to be real with you guys and just to kind of create a relationship, right, in a way, because I think it really matters. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave it a like. I would really appreciate it. Make sure that you share it around. And on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.